all about roundabouts. Roundabouts are a form of circular intersection that may be used as an alternative to signalized and always stop intersections. They're designed to safely get a lot of traffic through an intersection without much waiting. MoDOT has built hundreds of roundabouts statewide. Let's take a closer look at these alternative intersections and what they have to offer. How is a roundabout different? First, let's look at how a roundabout is different from a traditional intersection. A roundabout is a one-way circle of traffic with yield signs at each entry point. An entry point is where a driver will yield into the roundabout, which allows traffic to flow with little to no stopping. That reduces fuel use and air pollution in the process. They're easy to navigate through, and more importantly, safer to use than traditional traffic signalized intersections. According to a study by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, roundabouts reduce crashes of all types by 39%, injury crashes by 76%, and fatal and incapacitating crashes by 89%. They're safer for pedestrians too. People are 50% less likely to be hit at a roundabout than at a common signalized crosswalk. Safety improvements for both motorists and pedestrians include slower traffic speeds, smaller collision angles, and fewer conflict points. For example, a typical signalized intersection has 20 to 30 conflict points, or spots where vehicles could collide. Roundabouts reduce this number to 8. Navigating a roundabout. Next, let's look at how to use a roundabout. When approaching a roundabout, you will see a yield sign at each entry point. Slow down. Use your turn signal. Look for oncoming cars, pedestrians, and bicyclists. Then, when you see a safe opening, proceed into the roundabout. Just follow the circle of traffic until you see the road you want to continue down. Then exit, which will remove you from the roundabout. When entering a roundabout, remember, all vehicles that are already within the roundabout have the right-of-way. It's important to know that all roundabouts work the same, but they may not look the same. Some offer single-lane traffic, while others may have multiple lanes. When navigating a multi-lane roundabout, observe roadside signs and pavement markings. These will direct you into the correct lane. Do not change lanes within a roundabout. Always yield to emergency vehicles in the roundabout, and do not enter one if an emergency vehicle is approaching a roundabout. If an emergency vehicle approaches while you are in a roundabout, exit immediately and pull over to the right side of the road. Never turn left when entering a roundabout. When exiting, be sure to use your right-hand turn signal. Features of a roundabout. Most roundabouts are designed with a truck apron to accommodate large vehicles like school buses, semi-trucks, or farm equipment. This raised section of pavement around the central island is the truck apron. It allows for the back wheels of an oversized truck to ride up as they circle around, helping them to maneuver through. Large trucks and trailers require special consideration when driving through roundabouts. Give them plenty of room. They may need to use more than one lane to successfully make it through a roundabout. A handful of roundabouts may be shaped into more of an oval than a circle, and the number of entry and exit points may vary. Despite several different looks, how you navigate through a roundabout never changes. Benefits of a roundabout. Another great advantage to roundabouts is cost. Roundabouts are less expensive to maintain than signalized intersections and don't include operating expenses or utility fees. Additionally, according to the FHWA proven safety countermeasures, When compared to a signalized intersection, a roundabout can reduce fatal and injury crashes by as much as 78%. Roundabouts are also more green than signalized intersections. Vehicles don't stop and idle as much, so there is a reduction of emissions into the atmosphere. We also like to think that roundabouts are better looking than traditional intersections. A landscaped circle is more attractive than metal poles and traffic signals that hang in the air. More of these roundabouts will be used at new and retrofitted intersections, but this shouldn't scare you. Using a roundabout is safe and easy.